Hey guys, what's up? It's Tyra and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a shoe collection video because a couple days ago, on Christmas actually, I posted a picture of my shoes and I was like, I had an epiphany. You have some really fire shoes that you bought this year and were also gifted to you. And I was like, I want to make a video about my shoes because why not? Many people have done this in the past and I'm like, I think it's time for me to jump on this bandwagon. So today, you guys will be seeing the shoes that I have collected this past year in 2019. It is now 2020. And stay tuned because I have a really cool unboxing that I have also included in this video, which is another pair of shoes that I got for Christmas this year from my lovely parents. And yeah. So stay tuned and let's get right on with the video. Why don't we? Yeah. So the reason why I have a very blank space here is because I've been saving it for my new pair of shoes that I recently got for Christmas. And let me show them to you guys. This is it. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. So. Oh! See. These are so fire, y'all. Can you see that? This is the pair of shoes that I got. So these are it. These are them. This is her in the flesh. And they're just so cute. The one thing that I really love about these shoes, the colors. Like, so this is the shoes that I got for Christmas this year, and the colors, like everything, it's so fire. And it does come with blue laces. I think I'm gonna use these instead actually, because it just ties everything together. And the reason why I really wanted these sneakers is because someone in my school has them and she has such fire fashion style, and I was like, wow, they look great on her. I'd like to think I have a pretty good fashion style as well, so I think they'll look pretty good to me as well. So yeah, these shoes, so cute, super grateful I got them for Christmas this year. And again, I'm obviously not trying to brag in this video, I just want to show the shoes that I bought. Most of them, a majority of them I bought with my own money. Okay guys, so to start off with the shoe collection video, I'm going to show these. So these shoes are the Air Jordan 1 Rebel XX. Very long name, but I got these for Christmas last year and they're so cute. They have like special laces so that you don't really have to lace them up. You just unzip the side. And I really like this part, to be honest. Like, it just says Nike Air on it, and the bottoms of it used to be blue, but they're not really blue anymore. And yeah, a lot of my shoes are black and white just because it's such an easy colorway, and black and white is just, it's a classic, you know? So these next shoes that I got these for Christmas freshman year, and they're just some simple old school Vans, and I wanted to get a little different color, so I got the black and white ones with a yellow stripe on it. And I'm pretty sure, I think these were like $90. Super comfortable. I like the colors on it. And yeah, this was a way of me jumping on a trend but not being too trendy, you know. So this next pair of shoe, I decided to buy them because someone at my summer program was wearing them and they looked so cute. And so I bought them after that. So these are Doc Martens. They're kind of like a staple now in I think like everyone's closet. I think it's the Molly type, but it's the ones that are rainbow pattern. So they're super shiny, super colorful, and the first time that I wore these, it was actually at Afropunk. If you guys know anything about Doc Martens, it takes a while to break them in, but because I was literally on my feet the whole day, I broke them in the first day and it was great. I love these shoes. They make me look super tall, especially because I'm not that tall of a person. I'm like 5'1". I like to say I'm 5'1". These Air Forces are probably one of my favorite pairs of shoes right now. I think I paid like $170 like 165 for them. And the reason why they were that much is because I got them customized on Etsy.com. So when I was looking to buy Air Force Ones, I didn't want to get like the regular ones because like I didn't want to be basic. Now I'm saying that to say like Air Force Ones are one of the shoes that like everybody has, and I wanted to get something different, you know. I wanted to be out of the box, and so I got it with a customized swoop. And I really love these shoes. When I was looking to buy these, I thought that I had ordered the mids, but I actually got the high top. So when they came in the mail, I was like, this is not what I ordered, like sis. I was so confused. But at first, I'm not gonna lie, at first I didn't like them that much because the difference between the high top and the low top is that there's a whole bunch of extra space here. And I just didn't like it at first, but now like these are fire. Like I really love these. Yeah, so I will leave the shop that I got this from down below. She was super nice throughout the whole process of her making it. She made sure I got the right size. She made sure that I liked the customized rhinestones that I ordered to put on it. And another pair of shoes that I got during the summertime. I just went on like a shoe frenzy. Like I bought a whole bunch of shoes this summer with my summer checks. But I got another pair of Converses. I think personally Converses are super classic. Like they're a classic pair of shoes. Like everyone, I personally really love Converses. So I got the high top version of these shoes, and they're just the not a Chuck model of the Chuck 70. I really like these shoes because it has like an orange detail in the inside of it, and then the orange backing on it. And yeah, I really love this. It has contrast stitching as well on this side. And yeah, what really stood out to me with these shoes is the design on it. These next pair of shoes I got my freshman year. So I got these red Converses because I really like the color red. That makes sense. So I bought these because they stand out and they're so cute. And they matched with my aesthetic at the time. So you can literally get these at Macy's, at Finish Line. Like literally just search up red Converses and these will pop up. Now, the last pair of shoes that I have to share with you guys is these platform leather Converses. They're the Chuck 70 lugged leather Converses. And I got these for Christmas for my sister Brittany. So these are the shoes, and I really love these because of the platform. Like, I'm really into platform shoes right now because they make me look taller. And yeah, so this is it. It's just it's like your regular Converses, but it has a different kind of bottom. It has a different sole because like they're lugged and they're super tall and they're leather. So for these, I think these platform shoes, they gave me that power, you know? So yeah, I love these shoes. I love Converses. And so I'm super grateful that I got these for Christmas. So those are all of my shoes. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely give it a like and comment down below, you know, what videos you want to see from me. And yeah, so I will see you guys on the flip side. Definitely follow my social media. Click all the links down below to see if you can buy this shoe in your size so we can be twinning. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.